like that. Really works well. I'm impressed. The blades weren't real cheap. I got them from Foley Belsaw, or the dealer that carries their parts and blades for these machines. And they weren't cheap. I think they were, I want to say 160 bucks or 190 bucks. I can't really remember, but they do a really good job, and they seem to be really good steel. The other nice thing about these planers is that you can still get all the parts for them. I had to get new feed rollers and bushings, I think, and they had them as a kit to refresh the planer. And they have the knives and the gears. They have an optional feed speed upgrade that'll double the feed speed for a little more production planing. Yeah, I think it's a pretty cool tool. It actually has a 5-horse motor, so it's got plenty of power. And yeah, I think it's been a good machine for me.